Thanks for joining us today. We've got a really quick 10-minute all-out workout for you. This is meant to be done, really quick in between work, a quick lunchtime workout if you're really limited with time. Our daughter, we just put her down for her nap, so this was a perfect time for us. My name is Brad Boggs. I'm the owner of BeneFitness. This is my wife, Kori. She's the lead trainer at BeneFitness. Here at BeneFitness, we provide 10-minute workouts, 30-minute workouts. We also do nutritional tips and tips, so definitely check out our other videos. All right, let's jump right into the workout.
All right, guys, let's get started. I'm gonna demonstrate the first 3 movements. We're gonna do 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, only 2 times through. First exercise is a star jack. You're gonna get down into your heels. You're either just gonna jump open and down, or you're gonna explode up and back down. Star jack. Exercise 2, we're gonna just get right into high knees, fast feet. Exercise 3, we're gonna do a plank jack push-up. So in your plank position, you're gonna jack push up and in. Then we're gonna come right back up and we're gonna do high knees again. 20 seconds, we're just gonna complete that 2 times through. Work hard, work fast, give it your all. It's only 20 seconds.
Let's do it.
All right, you guys, star jacks, get ready. So you're gonna sit into those heels. You're either gonna do a jumping jack or you're gonna do a star jack. Get those legs out, arms overhead, sit into those heels. Come on, 10 more seconds. The first round is always the hardest. First exercise is the hardest. Sit back, come on, explode up. Legs out, arms overhead. 3, 2, 1. Woo. High knees, you're gonna get those knees high. Move those feet fast. 20 seconds, in 3, 2, 1, and go. Get those knees up. Pump those arms. Come on. Faster feet. Come on, up, up, up. You use that core to drive those knees high. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, down to the ground. So you're gonna do a push-up. As your chest goes down, you're gonna jack those feet out. Ready? Go quick, go hard. Knock them out, it's only 20 seconds. If you can't do full push-ups, come to your knees, push up, right back to plank, out, in, knees. Push up, plank, out, in. Or do straight push-ups. Come on. Almost there, pull yourself, push away. Back up, high knees again. On your marks. Get set. And that 10 seconds felt like a long time. Go.
It did.
20 seconds, come on. Pump, pump, pump those arms. Knees driving high. Big chest. You've got 7 seconds. We're gonna do it all one more time. This is a quick, fast workout. Getting your blood flowing for the day. Whew, star jacks. Are we ready for these? These are one of my all-time favorites. Psych.
Not mine.
Just kidding. Remember, we're sitting back, big chest, palms face the opposite direction. Or just sit and do a jumping jack. Come on, you can do it. Last time at this movement. 3, 2, 1. Woo.
Deceivingly hard.
High knees. Keep that heart rate going. Move those feet fast. Set and go. High knees. Pump those arms. Knees high. Breathe. Come on. Your feet can move faster than that. We're sprinting down that runway. Let's go. Knees up. 3, 2, 1. Down to the ground. Get down, get ready. You should be prepped, prepared, and ready before that timer goes off. And go. Jack it. Push it up. As your chest goes down, your feet go out. Breathe, rock and roll. Let's go, you guys. Don't let those hips sag. Come on, knock out a few more. Last, high knees. Up and at 'em. Final 20 seconds and we're moving on. Final 20 seconds. Get ready and go. Knees up. Come on, pump those arms. Get them high. Go, go, go. Faster. 10 more seconds. Faster. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, nice job, you guys. Catch your breath. We're gonna do the same pattern for 4 more minutes. All right, first exercise, we're gonna do jump lunges. I'll come sideways. So you're gonna do a lunge. We're gonna explode up in the air, switch. Jump lunges, 20 seconds. Second 20 seconds, we're gonna do ice skaters. So you're just gonna slide, tap the toe, fast, back and forth. Exercise 3, we're going back to the ground. We're just gonna do up, down planks. First round, go up with the right for 20 seconds, as fast as you can. When you come back around, you'll go up with the left for 20 seconds, and we're going back to ice skaters, side to side. Only 4 more minutes, and you're done, you guys. Get ready, let's do this. Jump lunges in 5. I know it keeps coming out. 5.
Are we alternating?
Alternating, yep, come on. Jump lunges. Get that back knee close to the ground. Keep your weight in your front heel. And toes, you just don't want to come directly to your toes. 3, 2, 1. All right, am I gonna come in front of you, Brad? Or should I?
Yeah, come in front.
Ready? You're gonna try to touch your toe when you sit low as you explode to the side. So, sit, touch your toe, side to side. Come on, move them fast. You don't have to balance unless you want to. I was not, because I wanted to rock it out. I want to move a little bit faster. 8 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. All right, down on your forearms. Press up and down, lead with the right, down with the right. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And up and down, up and down. Let's go, come on, push it. We're over halfway. Squeeze your quads. Hands come right underneath those shoulders. All right, back up, skaters. We're skatering. Skatering? Who knows what that word is? It's my word of the day. And slide, touch, slide, touch. Big chest. Come on, you guys. A little bit faster, push. You're pushing to the side, push to the side. Then sit low, 5 seconds. 2, 1. All right, jump lunges, 1 more round. Quick, we push, we work hard. 2, 1, and switch it. Come on, sit low, explode. Try not to shift all your weight to the toes of your front leg. Even distribution through that front foot. 5 seconds. Come on, you can push a little bit harder. 2, 1. Ooh, my heart is going. Breathing heavy. Early morning workout. Ready, set, go. Come on, push it, slide, slide and go, tap and go. Touch your toe and push again. Touch and push. 5 seconds. 2, 1. All right, lead with the left leg, lead with the left arm. Left, right, left, right. Forearm plank, squeeze your quads. Up and down. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Make sure your hands come right underneath your shoulder. They should not be in front of you when you press up. Come on, you got it. Squeeze those quads. Try to keep those hips pretty still. Ooh, last 20. You're done in 20. You rocked it. Push hard, final 20 seconds. Go fast, go hard. Ready, set, go. Tap and go. Come on, sit into those heels. You only have 10 more seconds. Push side to side. You're almost there. You have 5. 2, 1, last one. Oh man.
Good job.
Quick, not easy.
Quick 10 minutes.
You got it, guys. Nice work. Thanks for working out alongside with us. That was a quick workout. You can go and get on with your day knowing you at least did something. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video.
Check out our other videos.
Check out our other videos. Sorry, mind blank after workout. That seems to happen. We look forward to seeing you next time.
Thanks, guys.